Zucchini Farofa. Whenever I have zucchini here at home, I make this recipe. First, we'll start by cutting a zucchini into 3 parts, then we'll slice the zucchini vertically. We'll slice the zucchini into strips. After slicing all the zucchini like this, we'll put olive oil in the pan and add our cut zucchini. Sip. Also add salt to taste, pepper to taste, and let's seal the zucchini. When we've reached this point, we'll remove the zucchini from the pan, and in the same pan, we'll add 200 grams of bacon cut into small cubes. When it's fried like this, we'll add a red onion and let this onion fry together with the bacon. Then add another tablespoon of butter. Let's add 1.5 cups of cassava flour, and if necessary, add more. Then we'll add 1/2 cup of olives and then our sautéed zucchini. Now we'll stir gently and our zucchini farofa is ready. Look how delicious it is. People just serve this wonder. Make it at your house because everyone will love it. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye bye.